weekend. Super exciting. We're about to head a couple of hours away to pick up our what? What are we picking up?
Camper.
Our brand new camper. What are we getting, Peyton?
Camper.
A camper? So we made it here, and they actually had our camper in the showroom. So I'm inside of it right now. So let me flip this around and show
Here's the door when you come in. And this is a queen bed. We got windows on each side. Storage up there. Small little kitchen table that folds down to a bed. Cabinets and sink and a little stove over there. Microwave and more storage. Fridge. Bunks. A little bathroom back here. So cute. So we're just sitting here waiting on Chris and Addie and Jordan. They just came and got our keys, so they'll put the sway bars on, all that good stuff. They're getting it cleaned up for us now, so hopefully when Chris gets here, we can do the paperwork and head home. Are you excited?
Yeah. I'm gonna give you a tour of my bunk bed. So here's the handle where we get up, how we get out, and here's a light.
Ooh!
And here's some like power outlets for cable stuff. And I have a blind. That's it.
A blind? You mean a curtain?
Oh yeah.
And a window? Does your window open?
No.
No. Peyton got one down there too, but it's an emergency one, ain't it? Here we go. We got her hooked up. Ready to take her home. Well, we're on our way home with our new camper, and we absolutely love it. Still so excited. Such a long day, but totally worth it. Share all the amazing memories we're about to have in it. We have a trip already planned next weekend, so we're putting it to use.
Well, I just wanted to update y'all real quick. We got her home last night. Got her, well, we had to go this morning, get some chocks. So we left her on the truck, get a converter for the cord so we can plug it up too. And yeah, we are home with our brand new camper. Huh? You excited about it? Super?
If you'd like to follow us on our journey, please subscribe.